In Twin Falls, how a new summer camp tackles OCD and anxiety.
Now, the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Well, it's a cool start to our morning here in the Treasure Valley, but it's going to be a hot day as the day goes on. We're there in the low 60s here throughout the Treasure Valley, 59 there in Mountain Home, 60 up there in Ontario, and those temperatures are going to creep on up to about 99 degrees here for the Boise area and high 90s for the rest of the area. Now, our friends down there in Twin Falls, cooler temperatures there, just 96 degrees, but it's going to be a hot day for everyone here in the area. Now, it's going to be a clear day here, but when we take a closer look, we'll have some cloud coverage coming into the area on Tuesday, especially for the Twin Falls and Magic Valley area. Now that will continue as the week goes on because there are a couple of rain chances for the Magic Valley there on Wednesday and Thursday. But we will have some cloud coverage coming in for the Treasure Valley, but it won't be bringing in any rain. We'll take a closer look at what to expect for this week. Now it will be a clear day here in the area. It looks like some cloud coverage will be coming into the Twin Falls area around Monday night, and it will stick around until overnight on Tuesday. But it looks like some of those clouds will be coming around 12 p.m. or the afternoon hour here on Tuesday for the Treasure Valley, but should clear on out as the evening goes on. But it will stick around there for the Magic Valley and maybe bringing some rain with it there on Wednesday and Thursday. We'll take a closer look at what to expect for today. We'll warm up to about 68 degrees around 8 a.m. and then 87 around 12 and then 93 around 2 p.m. Now that high is 99 degrees and we'll hit that around 4 or 5 p.m. here in the Treasure Valley. And as I mentioned, similar temperatures there in the Magic Valley, but just a little cooler for their high. Starting off the morning, 62 degrees with a beautiful view of the sunrise there in Twin Falls. Now as the day continues, we'll get warmer. 82 degrees around 12 p.m. and 89 around 2 p.m. But the high for the Magic Valley today will be in the mid 90s, depending on where you are. 96 for Twin Falls, Gooding, Shoshone, and Jerome. But there in Burley and Oakley, cooler temperatures there with the low 90s. 91 there in Oakley and 92 in Burley. And take a look at those lows there. 61 in Twin Falls and 62 in Jerome. And those lows are probably what you're feeling here this morning. But as I mentioned, we're going to warm up as the day continues. 49 degrees to start off the morning there in the McCall area, and the high for today there in McCall will be 85 degrees. So there in McCall and Cascade, it's going to be cooler, but up there in Riggins, they're hitting 100 degrees today. 98 there in Garden Valley, 96 there in Council and in Cambridge. So it's going to be a mostly clear day for the West Central Mountains and a warm one as well. Now let's take a look at what to expect for the rest of the week here in the Treasure Valley. As I mentioned, our high for today is 99 degrees, and it looks like our high for Tuesday can be as high as 103. So it's going to be pretty hot. But remember, I talked about that cloud coverage coming into our area starting on Tuesday, and that's going to stick around throughout the rest of the week. Possibly